All right, today is Wednesday, April 8th, and it's kind of a nasty day today as far as turkey hunting goes. I didn't even go this morning. It's cloudy, overcast, hot. We've had a really hot streak here in Tennessee the past couple of days. It's been in the 80s. It's 80 degrees now. And like typical Tennessee weather this weekend, it's going to be in the 30s for the lows. So anyway, it's super hot and humid, and I went yesterday morning and didn't hear hardly jack snot as far as turkeys go. So anyway, my buddy Will called me, said that there's 4 gobblers on top of this hill behind his house with a group of hens. So I'm in a mad dash to get over there and see if we can make a big loop, get around them, and see if we can pull one of those birds away from those hens. We kind of know where they like to be. And so anyway, we're gonna give it a try, see if we can get Will another bird. He had a blast the other day, and he's been texting me, when are we going again? And so anyway, now that he's got some eyes on some birds, we know right where they are. We're gonna give it a try, so I'll keep you posted how it goes.
Shoot him. Did you not shoot? Yeah, I shot him. We might have been shooting the same bird. I shoot him on the left. I did.
You're 2 for 2.
Taylor's 2 for 2 up here
on turkey hunting. We had a awesome morning Saturday, opening day. Doubled on Will's first turkey hunt, and then he saw some birds up here this morning, and I came over, and we saw the birds up on top of the field, and so we decided to go after them, and we saw 2 on our way up to the top, and they didn't really have any desire to come and investigate my call, and so we kind of let them ease off into the woods, and then we figured they would probably come up here to the top of the ridge where we heard a bunch on Saturday, so we snuck around on the back side up to the top of this logging road, came around the corner, called a couple times real soft, and they just didn't answer, and I pulled up my binos, and about 80 or 90 yards away I saw the tip of a tail fan, and there were 2 of them, and so we came around the corner of the logging road, and I called a couple times and they never answered, and anyway, so we just set up right on the side of the logging road and just yelped real soft and had a hen come and investigate. Actually, the strutter came in. He came into probably about 45 or 50 yards one time, but since there was 2, we were hoping that both of them would come, and he kind of lost interest, and then after that, a hen started working her way towards us. She got to probably about 25 yards at some point, and that drug both the gobblers in, and anyway, we had a little bit of miscommunication this morning. When they came in, they got to right about 38 to 40 yards, and anyway, we were trying to figure out who was going to shoot which one, and they started to get a little nervous, and so anyway, we pulled up and shot, and we shot the same bird, pretty sure. So either way, we got a bird, and Will is 2 for 2, batting 1,000. So I said on Saturday he's going to be spoiled for turkey hunting. Now he's going to be spoiled even more, because now we've killed 3 turkeys in 2 hunts out here. So you know, I love midday hunts. A lot of times birds work better midday than they do in the mornings, but I don't think they could ever work better than they did Saturday morning, putting on the show that they did. But this bird never gobbled once, neither one of them did, but they had a whole crew of hens with them, and but they came in strutting, and anyway, walking away with another bird, and it's only the 4th day of the Tennessee turkey season, so we're not even through 1 week yet. So, Will, I think you're a good luck charm, because it's been a while since I've killed 3 birds on 2 hunts.
It's the location.
Yeah, the location helps. Having a spot where turkeys like to be and want to be is definitely key. But yeah, so you got a turkey gun now. Your dad's turkey gun, and but all you had this morning was a big old heavy jacket, which worked Saturday, but this morning
it's hot up here.
It's hot today. It's hot. It's probably 80 degrees, and so we're both sweating to death. But so we'll get you hooked up with a long sleeve t-shirt, so you won't be burning up, and
do it again soon.
Oh yeah, there's still a bunch more to be chased after. So anyway, good deal, man. Good shooting, and we'll get this one cleaned up and have some more turkey. Well, I told Will on Saturday he's gonna be spoiled for life after the hunt we had on opening day, doubling on his first turkey hunt ever. Well, now he's now killed 2 turkeys, three with me, so 3 turkeys on in 2 hunts together, and so anyway, he's spoiled. He's gonna be again this hunt, this midday hunt. You know, we probably about 10:30, 10:15, somewhere in there when we killed that bird. But I mean, we were in there for maybe 35-40 minutes, and so again, he's had 2 remarkable hunts and still has yet to see any struggle or failure in the turkey woods yet. So he just has no idea. But you know what? I'll take it, because I've taken other people before turkey hunting, and we just have been on the struggle bus. Just one struggle bus after another, where it's just been hard. Turkeys don't cooperate, and so for him to be on 2 hunts back to back where we've killed birds and where they've gobbled and strutted and done the whole gig, I'm just happy for him, because now, as if he wasn't already hooked from Saturday, man, that dude doesn't stand a chance now, because he loves it. He's been texting me all week, hey, when are we going again? When are we going again? So when he texted me, said there are birds behind his house, I'm like, well, let's go after them. So anyway, another fun hunt. Check out some of our other videos. I'm trying to post more. Trying to get my channel up and going. So if you like these videos, let me know, and I'll try to post some more stuff. But thanks for watching, and if you kill a bird or have any success or whatever this season, tag us on Instagram. We'd love to see it, and we'll share it with everybody. Outdoors Volunteer is Instagram. And so anyway, we'd love to see you guys having success. Be careful, stay safe, and have fun hunting.